Ava, did you steal his treat? Ava, did you steal Brownell's treat? You got it, don't you, girl? Give Brownell his treat. That was Brownell's. You stole it from him. Good girl. He doesn't want to lick your hand. He wants his treat. Give him his treat. Take your treat, Brownell. Take your treat. Get your treat, boy. Okay, come on. Oh, you're not going to give it to me either. Give me the treat. Give Daddy. Give it to Daddy. High five. Yeah, you do that. Take it, Brownell. Take it. Get it. Get it, boy. This could go on for hours.
Good girl. Good girl. Push, push, push. Come on. Good girl. Good job. Yeah, good girl. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Come on, baby. Push. Come on. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Next your tater. Next your tater, baby. Come on. Go! Come on.
This is Bruiser. Oh, he wants this treat right here. His favorite treat. Looks like an ear. And he's gonna have to do some tricks for me. Sit. Bruiser, can I have high five? Oh, I did not say kiss. High five. Oh, thank you. Now, shake. Sit, sit, sit. Sit. Give a paw. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sit. Give a paw. Oh, there we go. Let's just take a moment. I said to stay. Good boy. Sit. Take a moment to look at that face. It's over here. It's over here. Okay, Bruiser. Up. Good boy. He deserves this treat very much. Speak. Gotta work on that. Oh, it did good. Oh, get over here, boy. He just ran off with that. Bruiser, give me that. Give me that. Oh, good. Give me that. Give me that. Okay, I'm gonna let him enjoy that treat. Say bye-bye, Bruiser. Look at that tail. He's always happy. Say bye-bye, Bruiser. Say bye-bye.
Go to Mark. Good boy. Lay down. Good. On your feet. Good. What's your name? Turn to your right. Turn to your left. Good boy. Look left. Look right. Good boy. Back it up. Back it up. All the way back. Good job. Walk slow. On your mark. And sit. You say hello. Say hi. Look behind you. Good boy. Now shake your head. Right to the left. Say let's go. Crawl to your mark. Good boy. Bang, dead dog. Go pee on mommy. Good dog. Can you bow? Put your head down. Can you walk? Stay, sit. Good job. Was that good? Of course it was. Good boy. Alright, Jumpy. Time to go to bed. Cover up. Good night.